before. I'm so glad it's intact.
How about a tour?
Sorry, no tour. I need to make sure you guys don't run off.
Love this!
Jeez! When are they gonna be back to normal?
Now, using my super strength, I will compact these crystals, while using my super vision to make sure I'm duplicating the exact crystalline structure of the shard.
Yawn. What does Wonder Woman see in you?
I have to get going on this. But Wonder Woman likes me? Did she tell you that?
Let's not stay long enough to find out.
Hey, this river is full of raspberry jam. It's pretty good, too.
The source is over there.
Whoa. You think this place looks angry enough?
Yeah, Atrocitus and the rest of the Red Lantern Corps aren't exactly into yoga.
Careful, team. Try not to fall into the red stuff.
Red Lantern's coming to stop us? It's so exasperating!
That shield looks like it belonged to the Manhunters.
What? Like Martian Manhunter?
No, they were a race of robots created by the Guardians.
History lesson's over. Let's find a way inside.
Fear won't slow me down.
Watch out for that laser, guys. What's a crashed ship doing here?
Well, it could be from when Abensur came to Ismal to rescue a ship.
Grundy not care.
Almost there. Also, the red power battery feeds on rage. So everyone chill, okay?
But how can I chill when I'm full of Red Lantern rage? That's so idiotic!
Did it? I hope this Atrocitus guy's nicer than he sounds.
Yeah, I don't count on it.
intruders have been spotted. They've defeated a number of our forces already.
Pathetic! Let me demonstrate the true power of Rage Unleashed!
Did you hear that? What on earth was it?
Trouble.
Now's our chance. Anyone here ever been to a rodeo?
I have, actually.
Legend, what is that thing?
A physical embodiment of rage.
The butcher? What happened to the baker? Or the candle?
Grundy, carry Hal over your shoulder.
Okay, I want to contribute ideas too. Who are you?
Who am I? You can call me Joker!
And I'm Lex Luthor, the greatest criminal mind of our time.
Not hero in disguise, right?
And I'm Cheetah. Wow.
What do you want?
Oh, it's not what we want, it's what you want! Your enemy, Green Lantern!
That was me. Pulled muscle when I threw him down. What do you want in return?
We want your help conquering Earth!
You think I'd waste my time with a stupid planet like Earth?
We don't want to waste your time. Just put us in charge, and then you can go.
I'm going to need something more than just Green Lantern. We should go out to dinner.
I'd rather starve.
You're my kind of woman.
Clearly.
Come on, you stupid! Spirit. Strange. Let me have the lantern when I got angry.
Peas in a pod, you and I.
Are you even listening to me?
You know, on second thought, we don't need your help.
That's funny to you?
Yes.
You guys really angered me.